Good morning, class 6. Today we will study about flowchart.
Now we will study about flowchart. Flowchart is the symbolic representation of the flow of data in a program in step-by-step manner. It shows how the data flows and through which steps it processes. It is also the symbolic representation of our algorithm. Uses of flowchart. There are different uses of flowchart. First, planning a new project. If you want to start a new project, first you write what are your target, how much raw material is required, from where you will get the sources, and what is the time limit for your project. Documenting a project. In documenting a project, you must have performed your science experiment. While performing your experiment, you have to write the object, the aim, the material required, the theory or the method based on it, and so on. Next use of flowchart is modeling a business process. If you are thinking of starting a new business, then you must be requiring the things like from where you will collect the raw material, who will be your target customer, what are the other necessities or raw which you have to fulfill before starting your business, like you want to take the permission from the government and so on. Now we come about managing workforce. Managing workforce means managing your work according. For example, you must have seen that if a owner wants to perform or get his work done, he divides the work into its different managers according to area. Like a marketing manager will deal with all the marketing work. Operational manager will perform all the operational and will see how the workers are working properly. HR department will look for the salary matter, and your finance department will see for your all the financial activities like tax and all that. Next come your auditing a process. If you want to audit a process, that means if you want to cross check any process that it has functioned properly or not, then we draw a flowchart of it and then check step by step which process is right and which is wrong. Mapping computer algorithm. If you want to become a good coder, then you must be good in algorithms. Algorithms are generally the step by step process which we write. But while coding in different languages, the algorithm remains the same. So before writing the algorithm, we make a map of it so that we can understand how the data is flowing in different way. Data management. Data management means saving your data. You must have seen that when we enter the password, so there is a fixed step or fixed place where we have to enter the password. Then these passwords are sent to the system or the server from where we get the response back. So there is a fixed sequence step by step. First we will write the password, then only we can send it. It doesn't mean if you try to send a blank password, that means you do not type anything in the password and directly log in, the page will show an error. Why this happen? This happen because of data management. The data management software is such that if it requires something to be entered at the password place, then only it will allow you, permit you to log in. This something must be your